Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to jumpstart your Buick Lacrosse. First, gather your essential tools: a good set of jumper cables, a vehicle with a charged battery, and safety items such as gloves and eye protection. Next, position the working vehicle near your Lacrosse, making sure there is no contact between them. Always turn off both engines and set the parking brakes before proceeding. Now, let's connect the cables safely. Identify the positive and negative terminals on both car batteries. Positive is usually red with a plus sign. First, securely attach one red positive clamp to the positive terminal of your Lacrosse's dead battery. Then, connect the other end of the red cable to the positive terminal of the working vehicle's battery. Next, attach one black negative clamp to the negative. With your meringue ready, it is time to shape those beautiful nests. Fit a large star nozzle into a piping bag and fill it. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Pipe a flat, solid base circle, approximately 8 centimeters in diameter. Then, pipe 2 or 3 concentric circles on top of the base, building up the sides to create a lovely nest shape. Aim for consistent sizes for even baking. Congratulations, your Lacrosse should now be running. Carefully disconnect the jumper cables in the exact reverse order of how you attach them. First, remove the black negative cable from your Lacrosse's chassis. Then, remove the black negative cable from the working vehicle's battery. Next, detach the red positive cable from the working vehicle, and finally, remove the red positive cable from your Lacrosse. Keep your car running for at least 15 minutes to help recharge the battery.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.